Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite friends in the HiPal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the invite friends section on the plus sign. So you can either enter others' code and then add them. So just enter the code here and then click on the confirm button, or you can copy your own code and you can share them through SMS or other different platforms. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.